don't never speak on all this stuff that's just going on in the world because I try to keep my positive energy to myself. But it's on my heart this week because it's just too much. It's a lot. Um, growing up in the '90s, early 2000s, we had the best music, like no doubt about that. But like we didn't know. I mean, our mind couldn't even wrap around the types of things as we see today. What went on back then, it wasn't exposed to us back then, and we just didn't know. We got some of the best music, and it's like the people who made the music were just evil back then. I'm not gonna dig deep into it, but I just wanted to get my opinion on it. From a Christian perspective, in a way, I'm not saying that these people don't deserve what they deserve. I just feel like in the spiritual realm, God's the only judge. Let's start there. And we will forever have an opinion on these people and what they've done. But God is the final judge. So to be honest with y'all, you can't put these people in the heaven or hell. You can try to cancel them all you want. You can not listen to their music all you want. It's still gonna be a station out here playing their music regardless, cause it's the bop. Like it's good music at the end of the day. So y'all can dismantle the artists all you want, but their music will always live forever. No matter how bad they was as a person, their music will forever live. It's not saying that nobody approves of what they've done, but their music, their music will forever live on. Like no matter one thing that I just feel as though people, I just feel like this. You can scorn. It's just like with God. Like people talk junk about God. They mocked him. They spit in his face. They did all of these things to this man, and he just sat there and he just took it. And it's like no matter how bad these people talked about him, he still was God, and you can't take away what he did. He healed so many people with leprosy. He healed the woman with the issue of blood. He was in the fire with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. So it's like, at the end of the day, no matter how much y'all try to scorn these people that we grew up listening to, or getting our music talents from, or whatever, my only request is that y'all just start criticizing people and just pray for their souls. Point blank and a period. I have nothing else to say. Alright, bye y'all.